Hey guys, let's talk about the Alexa skills and games menu when it disappears. So you come here to the Alexa app, and on the menu, you can find the skills and games. It's not available anymore. It was working until yesterday and it just disappeared from here. It's not available anywhere here, okay? And our workaround for this one is just come here and ask Alexa to show you. Just type here skills, right, and hit enter. Then it's going to show the menu to the skills, right? So just click here and you're gonna have the same menu that you used to have before. This is a workaround. Then you can just come and look for any skills that you want. I'm looking for the skills for the Tapo camera and I can have it working here, all right? So that's an workaround. The other way to try to fix the problem is just uninstall and install the Alexa app again, okay? But you can just work with this workaround as well. I hope that helps. Give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.